A baby dressed in a full chef outfit standing on a small stool, stirring food in a tiny cooking pot on a low stove. A journalist is interviewing the baby, holding a microphone close to the baby's face. The journalist's face is not visible, only the mic. The journalist asks in clear audio, "Why did you get into cooking at such a young age?" The baby responds in a witty, confident baby voice, "I want to be able to make my own food, not smoothie packs they'll be forcing into my mouth." At each humor, realistic facial expressions, and clear Nigerian background details like tiled kitchen walls, stained spots, and a homely feel.